Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everyone? Let me introduce myself. My name is Deipa. I would like to explain about ordering supplies. All business order supplies. Supplies include many different items. Computers, parts for assembly, and pens and pencils. For example, it is very important for business to have supplies when they need them. When you need supplies, first call the vendors to discuss price and availability, then send a letter with a formal purchase order. Before you write the letter and complete the purchase order, make you sure know exactly what item you need and on what date you need them. First, ordering supplies. Look at the different elements of a fixed order supplies. Delway computers. Street Bereto 11 number 48 KBW now. Jakarta 11001. Indonesian. Phone 02152000357. Fax 02154939794. Information at delway.com.id. Miss Jackie Sen, Export Manager Component Outsource Ltd. 50 Orchard Road, Singapore 238865. 6573550809. 6573555811. Cover plus 1 number 24 2020 ref customer number 43. Dear Miss Sen, I am sending by fax purchase order 113512 for the following ship sets and drive. Ship sets 100,000 index 400 40,50,000 8GB 5 on X or 233 50,000 index 600 drive 100,000 ultra ATA or ATA 100,000 Erdo. 6L. Focus. This component should arrive no later than the tag that's not in the price order. Delivery instructions are detailed in the price order. As you discussed in your November 23 telephone conversations with Mr. Simple, you offered to waive shipping costs and give a 10% upon receipt of and discount. We appreciate the offers and as with purpose and component invoicing instructions are detailed in the purpose order. And then a closing. If you have any questions concerning our order, please do not hesitate to contact MC. Sincerely, Max WN, Purchasing Specialist. Closing your message. Opening, tell what you are ordering. For example, I am sending by for purchase order 113512 for the following ship sets and drives. Focus. Tell when you need the item. Tell how to deliver the item. For example, this component should arrive no later than the stock that's not in the first order. Delivery instructions are detailed in the purchase order. Actions. Tell how you will pay for the item. For example, as you discussed in your November 23 telephone conversation with Mr. Sampons, you offered to wine shopping cost and to give a 10% discount. We appreciate the effort and switch prefers order. We'll buy iPhone receipts of an invoice and the components. And then a closing. Ask them to contact you if necessary. For example, if you have any questions concerning our order, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, thank you. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.